Welcome to the channel. If you watched my last video, I retrofitted my kitchen lights. They were the old eyeball lights. And I retrofitted them with some Sunco LED lights, recessed lights. Okay? I'll just show you these ones there. They're on right now. Okay? Well, I have the same eyeball lights in my living room over the fireplace. Okay? But I didn't want to use the same lights in here because we do have the lights pointed towards the mantle. Because my wife likes to decorate it here sometimes, so sometimes we have those lights on. So, I picked up a pair of Sunco retrofit LED adjustable. These have a gimbal. Okay, these are for 5 or 6 inch, recessed lighting. These are 800 lumens. They only use 12 watts. And let's open them up. Okay. Voila. They have a gimbal. See, they pivot. So they pivot and rotate depending on how you have them in there. So hopefully I get them in there good. So we're, because where the cans, you got to put these springs in there so wherever this goes. Yeah. All right. All right, so there is also a switch here, 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000. That's the different colors of light, more like a warm light. These ones, I have them down on 2700. They're still bright. So I'll probably have these ones on 2700, a nice warm light. These are adjustable for 6 or 5 inch cans. All you got to do is set these screws and loosen up these screws and slide it back to the 5 or the 6. They're set up for 6 right now. And I think I have 6 inch cans. I'm not sure. But anyway. It also comes with, the thing to screw into the socket. And then you hook it up. Boom. So I'll take these other ones down. And show you how to mount them up the same way I did in the last video, but if you didn't watch the last video, I'll show you again. So if these lights interest you, there'll be a link in the description below. Sunco. Should be an easy install. Okay, let's get to it. First thing you need to do is take out the light bulb. Then you pull this down. If you've painted, it may be stuck a little bit. There may be some foam on there. You just pull this down. It's a little hard to do one-handed. But see how it just comes down? It's only in there by clips. Okay, it was a little hard to do one-handed, so I just pulled it down. But if you look, see, you got these. They just slide down. So the first thing you want to do is come up in here, is grab, I don't know if you can see, but grab the little female part of the socket where you screw the light bulb in, okay? There should be 2 metal pinch things. You just pinch them and it should pop out. Voila, see? Popped right out. Now the next thing is just grab these, squeeze, and that should come out. And do the other side right there. Okay, see how they just go in? Gotta set the camera down. There. See, they just have these little spring clips. Okay? and that's what you got left. So, you know, you can take these insulation things out or whatever, or just, I'll just set it up there. I pull these off. There, okay. Next thing to do is just grab this and screw it into here. Okay, see, just screw it there, it's all screwed in. If your light can is falling down a little bit, there's these clips here. You push up the can, push up the can, and you just push on these, push them up a little bit, and it should secure to the sheetrock a little bit better. But this is up there good. Next thing to do is plug in your light. Okay, the light's plugged in. I just have it hanging there. What you want to do is check, make sure that it works. I'm going to flick the switch on. There we go. Oof, right, works. Okay. Then what you want to do is kind of just rotate the light a little bit so the things curl up in there. Then you're going to take these two metal spring clips, squeeze them, and you're going to put them in to here. Okay? Okay, so I have them in. And all you do is push it up. Okay? You may have to sand and repaint later because these doesn't fit the same. The ring isn't the same as my old ring, which we'll do anyway. And all you got to do is pivot your light to where you want. Okay. Let's see. There. Looks good. All right, I'm going to take care of the other one. All right. There we go. Both of them are in. That's what it looks like. And I have them tilted down. These ones went in wicked easy. They're up there flush. Like I said, the ring is a little bit smaller than the other ring, so I'm gonna have to sand down and repaint. You know, touch up paint. We got some cracks in here. We got to fix anyway, so we're gonna have to redo the ceiling. But anyway, let's turn the light on. Well, there you go. What do you think? If this item interests you, there'll be a link in the description below. I am an affiliate, but there's no additional cost to you. So what do you think? Easy, quick, not too expensive, and uses less power. So hopefully, you know, I'll save a few bucks over the year on power. These last a while. I don't know, 7 years maybe, I don't know, whatever. Okay, I looked up and it's 50,000 hours. I don't know what that equates to. These should last forever because we don't use them that often. You know, the kitchen light ones may work out, blow out faster, but because we use the kitchen ones all the time, these ones won't. But if you have any problems, they're easy to replace, you know. Sunco, just get a single one if you need to. I ordered two. These ones come in singles or, I don't remember, 4-pack or something like that. I don't know, but I only needed two. You know, if you can't get the same ones down the line, I don't know, 5 years, 10 years down the line, pick up some other ones because many companies make these. But anyway, link is in the description for the ones I got, Sunco. And if you're not already a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. And all those other buttons, especially the thumbs up. All right. And we'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Peace.